In the previous video, we learned how to connect an Arduino Uno to OpenPLC, where the Arduino was used as a slave device. At that time, the ladder program was not uploaded to the Arduino itself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program the Arduino directly using ladder logic in OpenPLC. This method is ideal for beginners who want to learn PLC concepts, experiment with ladder logic, and create simple automation projects using Arduino. This is the list of tags that I am using. I am using 4 push-button inputs and 3 outputs connected to LEDs. Tags with the prefix 9 represent PLC digital inputs, which are mapped to the Arduino's digital input pins. Tags with the prefix QX represent PLC digital outputs, which are mapped to the Arduino's digital output pins used to drive the LEDs. The ladder logic used in this project is the same as the one I shared in a previous video, so I won't change the logic itself. Below is the physical address mapping that can be used for microcontrollers, including Arduino Uno, Nano, ESP32, and ESP8266. This mapping defines how PLC inputs and outputs are linked to the physical pins of the microcontroller. Please note that the number of available inputs and outputs is limited, depending on the microcontroller being used. Now, go back to the OpenPLC editor. In the board configuration settings, select the device you are using, which in this case is the Arduino Uno. Next, perform the pin mapping. Make sure this matches the address mapping provided in the reference, and that the addresses correspond to those used in the ladder diagram. To upload the ladder logic to the Arduino, uncheck the Compile Only option and select Modbus RTU on the right-hand side. Also, make sure the correct serial port is selected. Finally, click Compile on the left side and wait until the program is successfully uploaded to the Arduino Uno. While the program is being uploaded, the LED on the Arduino will blink. This indicates that the upload process is in progress and the ladder logic is being written to the Arduino. After the upload process is complete, the Arduino program can run independently, without the need to stay connected to the OpenPLC runtime or the OpenPLC editor. At this point, the ladder logic is already stored in the Arduino, and the microcontroller will execute the program on its own when powered on. If you want to monitor or debug the program and reconnect it to the OpenPLC editor, you can do so using the debugging feature. To start debugging, click the debugger icon on the left-hand side of the OpenPLC editor. Then, wait a moment while the connection is established and the debugging process starts. Once debugging is active, you can observe the status of inputs and outputs in real time, making it easier to verify the logic and troubleshoot any issues. In this video, we learned how to program an Arduino using ladder logic in OpenPLC, from configuration and pin mapping to uploading and debugging the program. This means that we can program an Arduino using ladder logic, just like a PLC. With this approach, the ladder-based control logic can run directly on the microcontroller without the need for a physical PLC. This makes OpenPLC and Arduino a powerful and affordable solution for learning, testing, and building simple automation projects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.